So today we are going to practice something related to prospecting using social media. Okay, so I'll explain you how I made my uh, Instagram first. Okay, I have an Instagram of 125,000 prospects. How I made it, I'll explain you step by step what I did over the time, and I tell you once you have 10,000, you can make it 20,000 without spending any money. Okay, for free within a span of few months, not more than that. Like not going to take years. And once you have 20,000, you can make it 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Taking first 10,000 will be the hard. That will be the tough part. So after 10,000, things will be very easy. And I'll share some of the strategies I used to grow it from 10,000 to 125,000. Okay. And now I have the potential of growing it from 125,000 to maybe 150,000 in a week if I want. Okay. In a week doing nothing. Okay. I'll explain you what are the things I did and what are things you can do to grow your social media. Right. So last week, if you didn't attend my last week's session, I believe you already went through the video. If you go through that video, I believe you have an idea that I talk about something called value in advance, right? You have to create a value into a prospect's life so that he will get connected with us, right? Considering that, I'm going to guide you a little bit how to make a good post first. How to make a good post, right? So I'm going to internet for a while. Okay. Hope you guys can see. Okay. So I came to internet and I searched top 500 richest people in this planet. I searched it. Okay. So there are a few names. Jeff Bezos, number one now again. Okay. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. Like that, there are a lot of people. So I'm going to open it. And I want to see the list. I'm not really interested about first 100. Okay. So I'm going down. Okay. Next. Okay. Now these are the people after 100. Right. So let me choose a name which looks like an English name. Why? Because if there are Chinese people, their quotes will be in Chinese language, right? So I'm going to select something like Thomas. Looks like an English name. I selected it. I went to Google and I search Thomas quotes. Let's see, we get something on. We get something nice. So here it says, I see no point of exchanging something that I understand, no love and think we'll have to create futures. Not too good. Seems like people don't learn from the past. This one looks good. And you can finish saying, how about you? Right? Open a new tab. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this guy is talking too much about socialism. Okay, now I'm going back to the list. I'm going to search somebody else. Carl Cook. I don't know who these people are. Okay, just searching on Google. Carl Cook quotes. Try not to look sideways to see how others are viewing our lives, but to look up to see how heavenly Father sees us. Good one. To look up. In the direction we receive, we must look up and see. This is good, right? Okay. Somebody draw something. Okay. Okay. So this way, first thing you need to find out some quotes. If you look at these sentences, right? You never heard before, right? Unique for you, right? Right. So you need to find out some nice quotes from people outside, people who are from 100 to 500, not those who are in first 100. Okay. Last week also I told you guys, right? Okay. So once you find something, then what you need to do? You need to make a post, a creative post. Okay. So content is the key. If you create good content, yes, it will grow. Okay. So I'm going to internet again. Whatever I'm going to do right now, you can do on your mobile phone also. Okay. So I'm going to Canva. www.canva.com. Now there have a few codes which I searched some time back, right? Yeah, I found these codes also on the internet. To succeed in this world, you have to change all the time. Okay. Now I copied it. So I'm on Canva, canva.com. So here I'm going to type Instagram. So Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram Women's Day. Okay, no need. So Instagram post. Select. Okay. So these are very nice templates. Right? Okay. So I fell in love with this template. So I'm going to select it. Right. And now there's a lady here, right? So it's not nice. So I'm going to here upload. On your mobile phone, you just press on the lady. You press on the lady, and your mobile phone will open, and your mobile phone, inside your mobile phone, all the pictures will be visible. Okay. All the pictures in your mobile phone will be visible once you press on this lady on your mobile phone. Canva, you can download Android, Apple, both. Canva, it's free application. You can download to your mobile. Okay. So I'm going to uploads. So I can upload images, right? I uploaded so many things already. So I'm going to be using a picture of me. Which one? This one? Ah. Oh, it's too dark. Let me try this one. Okay. So I use this on here, my picture. And then I'm going to type this, paste this one. Size is too high. So I'm going to decrease the size. Okay. 56. Okay. I want to show you one more thing. You can move these things, okay? You can move all these things. Right? I will have a small text here. With nuance low. Few things you can do. I'll tell you few things you can do. Okay. I'll put just nuance low. Okay. One thing you can do is go to internet and search for Instagram. And get a picture like this. Copy. And get it here. So this is my Instagram. And then same thing, Facebook. Okay. Then you can have a text here. Facebook. My name is Nuan Nitya. Okay, like this you can play with this application. Change the size, right? And don't forget to put your contact number. If possible, you can put your contact number also if you want. If you want, you can put all the contact information on this website also. You can put there, right? You understand, right? So you can play around with this and make sure it's attractive and people are going to see something nice. Okay, so I'm going to download it. So when I'm going to download it, it will ask the size. So I take the high quality and then sorry, download. Okay, so this one is not a free template. Okay, out of I need to say, when you go through these templates, out of I need to say out of 20, maybe around 1 or 2 are not free. Okay, so by mistake I selected something which is not free, but still I don't care. Why? Because I have screenshot, right? I use screenshot. Use the screenshot, but I don't think you can see when I screenshot because it is coming on a different window, right? I shared the okay. So I got a screenshot already. Let me share the screenshot with you. So this is a screenshot, right? This looks a little attractive, right? This post, right? So this way you need to find nice words from those famous people, not on top, like not top 100, 100 to 500 billionaires in this planet, and start creating content. Okay, now I want to guide you guys to connect your Instagram with your Facebook. Okay, so first I want to explain something to you all. First, I want all of you to make a Facebook page. Okay, you all have to make a Facebook page. And you have to have an Instagram account. Tell me, anyone here having no Instagram account? You have, right? You all have, right? If someone has no Instagram account, tell me, okay? I'll personally guide you how to make an Instagram account, okay? Right? So
it should be our personal account, right?
Yeah. So when you make an Instagram account, it will be a personal account.
Okay.
Okay. This personal account can be connected to your Facebook profile. It can be connected to your Facebook profile, right? Okay. But if you switch your Instagram to a professional account, then you can link your Facebook page. Okay. If it is a personal account, you can link your Facebook profile. If it is a professional account, you can link your Facebook page. So now my question, like you might be thinking, why to link a Facebook page? Later you'll get to know. Okay. What you can do with a Facebook page is more bigger than what you can do with your Facebook profile. Okay. So everyone make a Facebook page. Like Instagram will guide you to make a Facebook page. Okay. You don't have to go to Facebook and make a separate Facebook page. Instagram will itself guide you to make a Facebook page. Okay. So this, how to do this, I'll guide you right now. Okay. Shankar, can you share your screen? Yeah, you can turn off your video and share your screen.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Go to Instagram. Okay. Now, he's on his Instagram account. So can you see right side, bottom right side? Right? Right side bottom. Can you see, right? You can see his profile, right? So in his profile on the top, can you see three stripes, 3 lines? Press on that. And then in the bottom, can you see settings? Right? He pressed on settings. Okay, and then under settings, you can see his account, right? Account. Press on account. So under account, do you see in the bottom, switch to professional account. Switch to professional account. You can see, right? Press on switch to professional account. And now they will be asking whether you want to become a business owner or a creator. So I would suggest to go to business. Why? Because we are into business, right? So press on business. Okay. Now welcome to Instagram business tools. Shankar Nuan. You put my name at the end. Why? Okay. Okay. Continue. Right. Learn about your followers. Okay. Okay. Continue. Reach your customers. Continue. Continue. Get new content options. Again, now he has several options. You can see only one option there, Shankar.
Yes, bro.
Can you click on that? Okay. Can you? Okay. Okay. There are many
now,
options.
now it has.
Yeah. Yeah. There are many options. So whether it is okay, don't select anything. Yeah. I want to read what is there. Public figure, personal blog, product and service, art, musician, band, shopping, retail, health, supermarket. Go down.
That's all.
That's all, right? Okay. So here you can select something related to product and services. You can select. Okay. So select product and services because exactly we are into that, right? And then press next. Okay. Now your mobile number is already there. Business email address. If you have, you can put your same email address. Okay. Or else you can just next. Now it is saying that choose a page. You see, that means we can connect this professional account, professional business account, right? Under professional, they ask creator or business, right? So we choose business. So professional business account, we can link this with a Facebook page. So press on choose page. Okay. Now it will direct to your Facebook. Okay, continue as Shankar. Yes. Okay. Now that you don't have a Shankar, now that you don't have a page, they will ask you to create a page. Okay.
Okay.
So keep the name as Shankar also to your page. Remove that part.
Okay.
No. Okay. Okay, and then done, and then press next. Choose a category.
Yeah.
Product, service, similar. You can go for brands and product.
Brands and products, yeah.
Choose a subcategory.
Yeah, subcategory.
Products and services.
Sorry.
Products and services.
Yeah, you found it.
Yes, bro. Yes,
Yes.
bro.
Yeah, okay, it's there. Okay. Now press on next. Okay. Okay. Press on this plus mark. I mean, you have to post something. Post something.
Done, bro.
No. The plus mark, bro. Plus mark.
Okay.
Like in the bottom, there's a plus mark, right?
Yes.
Now it access into your mobile phone, right?
Yes.
You already posted something. Oh, I didn't
Yes.
see your
Yes.
screen. I didn't
Yeah.
see your
I
screen.
posted already. Yes.
Yeah. Can you open it again? I mean the plus mark. I didn't see
Okay.
your screen.
Okay. Bro, am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I can't see the screen. After you press on the plus mark, I don't see the screen.
Now you see? Now?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, now I don't see anything.
Oh. What
While in
will
the video, it won't allow, I think, one.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Shankar, you can leave it.
Okay.
Sharing the screen from my mobile. Okay. So I'm on my Instagram. Okay. So I'm going to press on my plus mark. Okay. Now you guys can see, right? So I selected the one picture and press on next. Right. Here they will so few options. Do you see? I can post this to Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. These are 3 different social medias. Okay. So as you saw from Sankar's mobile, you guys already linked your Instagram to your Facebook page, right? So here I turn this on, which means when I share, it is going to my Facebook page as well. Okay. So before I do that, I'm going to copy something and I'm going to paste something. Okay. I'm going to get something copy pasted. Okay. And what am I going to copy and why I am doing this, I'll explain you later on. I copied something and I pasted it here. Right. Pressed on OK and I shared. So now this thing got shared in my Instagram and also in my Facebook page. Okay, cool. So as you can see here, these are the things I shared. Okay, I shared, as you can see here in the slide. At first, I had to put a description. That means I had to explain what is on the picture, because some people love reading, right? They will read what is on your post. Other than that, they will also read the description. So if you have an explanation bigger than what is on the post, write the description and then contact information. Why contact information? Because you want them to get connected with you in a deeper level, right? Not only your Instagram, right? So I put my website, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I usually keep this contact information. If your Instagram is, for example, Sankar's Instagram is Sankar Nuwan, right? So he should have hashtag Sankar Nuwan. But before that, I suggest Sankar, you need to come up with a very nice name. Okay, and those who have some sounds around, try to keep your mic mute. Okay, cool. And then after that, success mindset, inner fire, startup life, never give up, motivation, hustle, inspiration, success, business, marketing, grind, dream big, keep going. There are some other hashtags here, right? So these tags, what I call the best hashtags in 2020 related to business motivation. Those tags are the tags in 2020, the most used tags on the internet, I found from the internet. Okay, related to Instagram, most used tags related to business motivation. Okay, so my topic on my Instagram is business motivation, right? So I'll tell you how to find tags. So now I'm going to internet. Okay, and I'm going to search. Okay, at first you remember my first tag. My first tag was Nuwan's Law, right? This was my first tag, right? This is myself, right? So when somebody search Nuwan's Law on internet, they are going to see first my Instagram. First search result is my Instagram, right? Okay, this is the post I just posted, right? And what is the second search result? My website. Okay, my website is the second search result. If you can make a website, that would be pretty good. Okay, you should make a website, and you should also have a business card. Okay, we'll talk about those later. And after that, there are some videos. Okay, leave them. And this is my Twitter. I never went to Twitter, but I link my Twitter to my Instagram. So every time I post, see Padman, Vipat, Arun George is there. Okay, so every time I post something from my Instagram, it is automatically going to my Twitter. Okay, I don't know what is this website. This looks little similar to Instagram, I guess. Yeah, little similar to Instagram. And you can see, right? So many tags are there, right? Okay, so I'm going to search image search. When I do image search, you see a lot of pictures belong to me, right? Why? Because of the tag. Because of a lot of tags which I used. I'm there, right? You understand? Okay. So now I want to search Bill Gates. If I search Bill Gates on Google search, who am I going to see? Who am I going to see? Bill Gates, right? You can see Bill Gates here, right? So what if I search Bill Gates' first name, which is called Bill? Let's see what we can see. Oh, we can see some mobile phone bills, different type of bills, right? Water bills, utility bills, right? Okay. So let's check Bill Gates' last name. Okay, Gates. Let's search Gates on the internet. What do you see? Gates. So these are Gates, right? So what I want to tell you, Bill Gates made hashtags like this. Bill Gates. This is what he did. He made this. He made millions and billions of tags. That's why when you search Bill Gates, you can see on the internet. You understand, right? If you search on the internet, you can see Bill Gates. Why? Because Bill Gates used millions of tags. Okay. Now you are going to tag yourself. You see, when I search myself, right, I saw only some, right, but not too many, right? Why? Because my number of tags are few thousands. I did only few thousands of tags with my posts. So that's why when somebody Google, my picture, like my photos will not appear that much compared to Bill Gates. Bill Gates is in a million scale. You understand, right? Okay, now that you know that tags are important, I want to tell you little more about tags. Okay. I believe you can do this. Okay. This is simple to follow. I mean, you need to switch your Instagram to a professional account, professional business account, and then you need to link it with your Facebook page. After some time, I'll tell why Facebook page. Okay. Okay. So now, I told you need to have some tags. Okay. When you put the tag, business, when you put the tag business, this is a large tag. So the tags on the internet, the tags on Instagram, okay, are categorized into 3 categories. First, called large, medium, and at last small. Okay. So business, the word business, hashtag business, is a large tag. Okay. A large tag means a tag where only about, okay, numbers more than 1 million people, 1 million plus posts used. Okay. So if it is a medium tag, it is going to be something from 1000 to 1 million. That means that many number of posts are existing in this planet on Instagram if you search. Okay. So a small tag is something from 0 to 1000. Okay. So I'll give you an example. Business is a large tag. Business motivation is a medium tag. Okay. My tag Nuance Law is a small tag. You understand, right? And you see the search button, search, I'm going to search. So under search, please carefully look at, okay, look at this. You can see top accounts, tags and places, right? So I'm going to tags. Okay. So I saw you 3 types of tags, right? Business, business motivation and Nuance Law, right? So let me check for business. Okay. Okay. So the tag business, you see on the top, the tag business has 67 million posts. That means it's a big tag, right? It's more than million, right? Okay. So it is it's a large tag. So do you see, I followed the tag, right? So I unfollow the tag, right? I mean, there are so many people following the different tags on topics which they are interested about. So I follow the tag. Okay. Okay. Because I follow this tag, when somebody hashtag business, I'm going to see their post because I follow this tag. So I'm going back now. I'm going to search for my second tag, which is medium one. Okay. Business motivation. You see 450K. It is between 1000 and 1 million, right? Because it is 4.5 lakhs, right? So I open it. I already follow this tag also, right? Okay, so I unfollow it, right? So there are a lot of people who search for this tag and follow this tag, but in a medium scale. That the tag business is being followed by so many more people than the business motivation tag. So because business tag is a large tag and business motivation tag is a medium tag. Okay. So let me search for my tag. Nuance Law. Yeah, it's there. How many posts are there? 800 something. It's 500 plus, right? Okay, so this tag is being used in a smaller scale, right? So it is a small tag. Okay, so what I want to tell you here, take this clearly, okay? Take this very clearly. What I want to tell you here, if you follow a tag business, a tag called business, a large scale tag, okay? And today I'm making a post with that tag, business. I make a nice post, hashtag business. What is going to happen? If I post it right now, what now time in Thailand is 11:06 p.m. Okay, if I post it now, if you are online on Instagram and if you refresh your home page right this moment, you will see it. If you are a person who already followed the tag, you will see that post. Okay, but the problem is that is a large tag. That is because it's a large tag. Not only me, within the next 5 minutes, maybe 15,000, maybe 20,000 people using the tag and posting something. You understand, right? So because of that, in next 2-3 minutes, my post will go down, and I can't find it. You can't find it anyway if you follow that tag. You understand, right? It is impossible for you to see my post because it is a largely used tag. But more people are pressing on following that tag because it is a popular tag, right? So many people can see it when I post it. So if you use a big tag, if you use a large tag, what is going to happen? You are going to get at least 10 followers, okay, within a minute. Okay, you are going to get at least 10 followers within a minute. But after that, like you will get some likes, maybe 20-30 likes, and maybe 10 followers within a minute or two, okay. And after 3-4 minutes, that tag is useless. It can be seen by a lot of people. Lot of people can see it, but only for a very short time. Okay. Now, second tag, medium tag. Okay. Not too many people are using this kind of tags. Okay. But there's the number of people go and follow this tag also less. Okay. So now, when I post something with the tag business motivation, because it is a medium tag, my post will get followers and likes for maybe around 15 minutes. It will take little longer time in your mobile phone, right? If you already follow this tag, okay, business motivation, it will take little longer time for you to, for that post to go down and disappear, right? Because it is a medium tag, okay? And now we come to small tags. If I use the small tag, and if you are a person who go and follow my small tag, let's say Nuance Law, or let's say business mindset, something like that. There are many small tags, okay? So if you follow a small tag, a small tag, and if I am using that exact tag to post something, you may not see it. Like, let's say I'm posting it at 11:09, now the time 11:09, but you are not coming to Instagram for 24 hours, and you come tomorrow night, you can still see my post. Why? Because it is a small tag. It is not going down that fast. You understand, right? So now, when you post something on Instagram, you need to utilize all these 3 types of tags, which means large tags, you can put only 20 tags, okay? Large, you use about 6, okay? Medium, you use about 7, and small, you use about 6, and the first tag must be, for me, it's Nuance Law, right? Why I am branding myself? Right? One day when somebody search on Google Nuance Law or maybe Nuance, I need to be the most popular person in the planet, right? Understand? So I choose Nuance Law, and all my websites, or my Instagram, even my Facebook, okay, my Twitter, everything Nuance Law, okay, my website, okay. So I am branding it, right? Understand? Okay. So first tag is this. Yourself will be the first tag, and then 6 from large, 7 from medium, and 6 from small. So small tags are difficult to find, okay, but small tags are what you can, there'll be unique people okay, who exactly go and search for that maybe a unique tag which is not too popular, maybe a nice business related word, okay, you understand, it's not too popular, but there's a small group of people looking for that word, okay. So when they come and search, every time they will see you because you will be on the top always, okay. So I hope you got the understanding about tags. Now I want to explain you in Instagram we all do something without knowing, which is called we are spamming Instagram, okay. So Instagram has an algorithm, okay. According to Instagram algorithm, if you use the same tag, same pattern, same sentence all the time, copy paste and post, Instagram, without notifying you, they will consider that you are spamming. So you should not be spamming on Instagram, okay. For Instagram not to feel that, there are some things you must do, okay. First thing, I'm going to okay, close this one. First thing you must do, you should make a set 1. That means inside the set 1 you have let's say 6 large, 7 medium and 6 small and your one, right, plus your personal one, right. So this is a set. You have one set with this group of hashtags, and you have another set 2. It is also having the same 3 but not the same. So now you need to find a lot of tags related to business motivation, right? Business motivation, entrepreneurship, right? These are the keywords which we are into, right? Business motivation, business, entrepreneurship, networking, right? Direct selling. You can see all these terms even on Instagram tag search, and you can identify large, small and medium, okay. And you are going to make sets, set 1, set 2, and then set 3, set 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need to make 10 sets for every 3 months. Now you need to make 10 sets, 10 different sets, okay. So each set, maybe set 1, set 2, set 3, you can have unique I would say unique tags, but after that you might feel very difficult to find more and more tags, okay. Then don't worry, use the same tags but not in the same order. Maybe in the first set, Nuance Law, my Instagram ID is on top first. Second post, it is in 7th. Third set, it is in 12th. Fourth one, maybe in 2nd. You understand? So the order must be different, and try to make little differences in tags. Okay. So you will find out at least 30 to 40 tags, maybe 50 tags, 50 different tags. You have to Google and research and find, okay. And once you found, you have to separate them into different sets. So 2 sets should not be equal, okay. So let's say today you make a post. You use this set, your post number 1. Second post, you use this tag. So like I was saving, you see, I open something and copy pasted, right? So that is one of my set, okay. So use second set for second post, third post, third set, fourth set, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? And again your 21st post, you use set number 1, 22nd post, set number 2. Likewise, you need to swap these 10 sets when you are posting, okay. This, you need 10 sets if you are posting 3 per day, okay. If you want to post more than that, you need more sets. If you want to post 6, you need 20 sets there, okay. This number, if you are posting 3 per day, you need at least 10 sets. Understand? Okay. So you need to create these sets, then only Instagram will not feel that you are spamming, okay. And now you remember, I'll share the screen again. I gave contact information, right? Sorry, I gave contact information here, right? So this contact information, don't keep the same pattern. You need to change the pattern. So contact information in first set can be visit my website, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. right? And second post, you change the order. Facebook first, Instagram second, WhatsApp third. You understand? Change the order. So 10 sets must be in 10 different orientation, 10 different orders. You understand, right? Okay. Now I want to explain you few things you must do inside your Instagram. That's how you do search engine optimization. That means that's how you make sure when somebody search something related to business or entrepreneur or something, they might see you on the top. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. You see edit profile. Do you see edit profile? You see, right? Edit profile. Okay. If you can't see, I will screenshot and I will take it and I will circle. Okay. Edit profile is here. Right? I think you can see now edit profile. Okay. Okay. I press on edit profile. So inside my Instagram profile, you can see my name. My name is Nuwan DJH. Those are my initials. Okay. And I put entrepreneur in front. You see, I put entrepreneur in my name. Instead of having my full name, I put entrepreneur there. Why? Because somebody searching entrepreneur, okay, my account might appear on the top. Not on the top. Many people are using entrepreneur in their name. So somewhere a little on the top, maybe in first 20, 25 maybe. You understand? So the reason, okay, so you need to have entrepreneur or maybe business owner, networker, okay, something. Networker is not too good because we are into network marketing. People will get to know it easily, right? Okay. So you need to have something related in your name. And then Nuwan's Law is my username. Make sure your username is very simple. Like don't have this underscore, underscore, ABC, again underscore, right? These things don't have, make it short and sweet. Like for example, if you meet someone for 15 seconds, you must be able to tell and go. Okay, follow me at Instagram. My Instagram ID is Nuwan's Law. NUWANSLAW. That's it. It must be that much easy. You understand, right? Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. Now there's a bio. Here, there's a bio, right? So in this bio, I usually keep business partner at QI. And I did not mention QI group of companies because if I mention QI group of companies, then somebody can find it. But because I use QI, if someone go and Google QI, you know what they will find? They will find IQ option. Okay, they will not find QI. Okay, and second, founder of Uniglobal Tingasport. This is exactly another business I used to invest. Okay, so this is an investment of me, so I just kept it there. Okay, and then Nuwan's Law. You should have this tag. You should have this hashtag here in your bio. In your bio, you should have tags. Okay, Nuwan's Law is there. Entrepreneur, dreamer, free man, business owner, networker, YouTube. Okay, so you need to select things related to you, right? You need to select things related to you, right? If you are an corporate, if you are a banker, put it. It's okay. If you are an engineer, put it. I'm also an engineer, but I didn't put it. Okay, and then done. And yeah, page connected, everything connected, everything's done. Yeah, that's it. Okay, you need to change those things in your bio and your name. You must do that. Okay, first thing I told you, find the correct hashtags. Okay, and the second thing, username, change the username and add the bio. Okay, apart from that, you need to find good content. You need to find good content, right? Without content, nothing is going to happen, right? The people are going to go through your content. They are going to identify something. Oh my God, this is good, right? So I also taught you how to find content, right? I believe you know how to make a post. I believe you know how to find content from the internet. Okay, and each content, every content we make should give a value into somebody else's life. That is the most important thing. And try to get a attractive picture. If your picture is attractive, people are going to like it. Some of them start sharing it. That's how you start getting more and more followers. You start to impact somebody else's life, right? So that way you start to create a little bit of rapport with somebody else, right? You might not know there might be someone who is just going through your content, but not even talking, not even caring about anything, but subconsciously he is taking that message. Okay, you are there. I am just a normal guy, but you are very, my God, he is writing nice content. Okay, and that they are getting that respect. in their subconscious mind when you start creating content like that, right? Okay. Now the most important thing, which is something called community engagement. There's something you need to do on Instagram called community engagement. What is this community engagement, right? Now I want to tell you, erase this board, okay? Community engage means this is something you are going to spend some time on, okay? Community engage means so community engagement, which means you first go and follow some tags. You follow entrepreneur, right? You follow business, right? You should follow something related to your country also, okay? Something related to your country, to your state, okay? Things related to business. So again, you are following some tags. And when you go and search those tags, because you follow those tags, you will be seeing content related to these tags, right? Because you follow these tags, you will be seeing a lot of content related to these tags. So you are seeing somebody else is posting something related to business. Do you think it's a good prospect or a bad prospect? Somebody already doing these kind of things related to social media and becoming a social media influencer. Good prospect or bad prospect? Best prospects for us, right? Okay. If they sign up, they can do it even better than us, even faster than us, right? Okay. So you are following these tags, some of the tags, and you will be seeing posts related to these tags. What you need to do, you need to consume the content. Not just, again, don't do spamming, okay? You need to consume the content. So you go through the content, you read it. Okay, it's good, very good. I understood that post. It's very good. So you go through the content, and then what you need to do, you need to make a nice comment. Okay, so if you post something on Instagram, how many people will comment? Give me a rough number.
Like 10 people.
10 people. So they are commenting like thumbs up, good, nice, awesome, like that, right?
Yes, bro. Yes.
So if I come to your post and if I write, wow, you are talking like this, like something related to the content. Okay. If you are saying, okay, for example, I'll take that Bill Gates sentence quote. If your business is not on the internet, you are out of business. If you post something like that, for example, 10 people come and do thumbs up, awesome, good one, Bill Gates rocks, right? Like that, right? And I'm going to make a content. That is really true, bro. I understood during this coronavirus time that only the people who survive are the people who are having their business online, right? And this is nice post, and I'm so lucky that I went through this post. Okay, I would love to connect with you. Now, how do you feel about my comment? Good, right? Nobody commented in such way. Everyone thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. They are very busy. Okay, so I really consumed your content. I understood your content, and you felt that yes, I gave time for you. Even I'm a stranger for you completely. Okay, so this way you have to do at least 20 community engagements per day. Can you do this? Just spend some time, right? Go to somebody else's post, related topics, okay? Related. Don't go to somebody who is doing music and start, wow, nice music, I love your channel. Don't do that, okay? That is not related to us, right? So you go and do community engagements with people who are in the same niche, same area, okay? Maybe they are doing some other business, doesn't matter, right? You go and make a comment. So those are quality prospects. So you comment, not only comment, you comment and follow them. You comment and follow them. Okay. So if you do 20 today, do you care whether somebody is going to reply you or not? No, you don't have to even think about it, right? You are honestly giving a comment, and you will also get the reply, right? Like you will get a notification when they replied for that, right? Okay. When they reply, you can again reply. So you can start the conversation in the comment section, and later you can add them on the chat. You can send them, okay, I send you a direct message. Please have a look. and then you can start the conversation on Instagram, right? And then what is going to happen? You can start, you can share your WhatsApp there, right? And then, bro, nice to meet you, you are really awesome, right? Bro, I love what you are doing, right? Bro, guys start appreciating what they are doing. Okay, whatever they are doing, start appreciating, right? Even if it is a guy who is building the body, building the muscles, right? Start appreciating, right? So do this with 20 people a day. So in a week, okay, in 365 days, you will have this into 365, right? In 1 year, right? Guess how many comments are there on other people's posts? Okay, so you will have 20 into 365, 7,000 plus. 7,000 plus comments made on other people's social media, right? Okay, and that way you will get, let's say, 1% of them connect with you. Can happen, can, right? When you make 100 comment, like when you go and comment with 100 people nicely by consuming their content really from your heart. Okay, when you do that, don't you think at least 1% of them will just come and connect with you? Sure, not 1%, can be 10% also. Okay, this is the worst case, 1%. Okay, so 1% of them reply you, respond to you, and then start a conversation between you, conversation with you, right? So 1% of 7,000 is going to be 70, right? But if it is 10%, it is going to be 700 prospects getting in touch with you and taking your WhatsApp and talking to you, right? You understand, right? So start doing this. Okay, so this is called community engagements. I want to tell you, there was a time in my Instagram I was really crazy and I did around 100 community engagements per day. I was doing it I don't care whether like they are coming to me or not. I just start commenting. Now I want to tell you, don't copy paste the same comment. When you start copying and pasting, again it will come under spamming on Instagram. Once spamming happens, I'll tell you the problem with spamming. Okay, Instagram will not even tell you. Okay, once spamming happens, even you put hashtags, the exposure of your Instagram will be very low. Without telling you, they will reduce your rank on Instagram. When I say rank, the visibility for other people, you will reduce it. They will reduce it without telling you. Okay, Instagram is doing that. Facebook is not doing that. Okay, Facebook is directly telling you and blocking you if you start spamming. Okay, so Instagram will do that without even informing you. But if you do it too much, they will anyway block you. Okay, understand? Okay, so don't do spamming. So don't copy paste the same thing. Okay, consume the content, write something, spend 2 minutes per post. So this can be done in 40 minutes, everything, right? Just spend some time every day, right? Okay, now I'm coming to another place which is called Instagram stories. Okay, so on Instagram, let's say Naresh is making a post. Naresh Kumar is making a post today on Instagram. Okay, now I already followed him. For me, I followed Naresh and another 1,500 others. I follow Naresh and 1,500 others. So because of that, if Naresh make a post right now, right at this moment, if I don't come to Instagram for next 12 hours, okay, during that 12 hours, I already followed 1,500 people, right? Out of those 1,500 people, let's say around 100 of them make some posts during next 12 hours. After Naresh, okay? After Naresh. And then when I come to Instagram, I'm going to see 150 posts on my home page. I'm not going to see Naresh post. Right? Because his post already went down. You understand, right? But if he made a story, it will be always there. It will be on the top. You know, Instagram stories are on the top, right? Stories will never go down. Okay? But post will go down. So for example, if I post something, only out of 125,000 people, only around 1,000, 1,200, maximum 2,000 people like my posts. Okay? But my stories, around 10,000 people go through my post stories. You understand, right? So much high. So many more people are going through your stories than your posts. But you need to do posts to attract people. Okay? But also you need to do stories 2 a day. Why 2 a day? When you post a story, what is going to happen to the story? It is going to disappear within, I think you can see the screen. It is going to disappear in 24 hours, right? Okay? So this is story here. You can see the slide story here, right? So you need to click on this and press and then put a story, right? This is not a good story. Yeah, let me show you a good story. Okay, stories are going to be visible only for 24 hours and visible for only for your followers. Okay, not only for followers. If a follower share your story with somebody else, that is going to be visible for that person also. Okay, so these are some stories I put randomly. So money can buy happiness. Agreed? Yes and yes, right? Answer is always yes. Okay, so on a Monday I post, it's a great Monday. How was your day? Good or bad? Okay, and how to make a story? You can also use Canva, the same application I previously explained you how to make Instagram post, right? You can use this one. Or else you don't need to do anything. Inbuilt function is there on your Instagram, right? You can use that inbuilt function. I'll show you how simple it is to put a post. Okay, put a story. I pressed on this story. Okay, now you can see me. Okay, pressed it already. I'm going to type something. Let me type something. And I will put a mention. There's a mention, something called mention here. I also mention myself. Okay, there is also something called hashtag. I will hashtag myself also. Okay, story done. Send, share, done. Done. My story is done. Right? So my story will be visible for all my audience. Right? Okay. So you need to do 2 stories per day, but don't do it at the same time. Do it maybe one in the morning, one at the night, right? Like you should make sure your audience gonna see you all the time, right? Whenever they come to Instagram, there must be your circle. They must see you, right? Whenever they come to Instagram. So never forget to keep a story there. Post something, okay? On Monday, just ask people, how about your Monday, right? And you can give them options to choose, answers to give, right? So keep posting stories all the time with a 12-hour gap. So morning one, at night one, morning one, night one, morning one, night one. Okay? So now, with this knowledge, what you need to do is this. I'll wrap up the things. Okay? What you need to do with this knowledge? First, you should make 3 posts a day. Make sure to use hashtag sets. Swap the sets and get 3 posts a day. Okay, these 3 posts, again I'm telling you, go through the content, find good content, right, and deliver something good for the people. And second, 2 videos per week. Can you do this? This is you making a video. Okay, you are talking on the camera on your phone. You create a small video. Okay, something very, very small related to mindset, related to think positive, think outside the box, think big, right? Something related to mindset, right? Happiness, growth, understand? Different things. You make content related to your topic, entrepreneurship. So you need to make 2 videos per week. Not, this is more than enough, okay? 2 video clips per week. That's it. And number 3, so these video clips also, you need to put hashtag sets, okay? And number 3, 20 community engagements per day. And lastly, 2 stories per day. And let me tell you one thing. When you do this, do you know all these posts are going to your Facebook page also? It is going there, right? Without you knowing, your Facebook page will grow, okay? Without you knowing, Facebook page will grow, okay? And this 20 community engagements has nothing to do with Facebook, right? You'll be getting connected with people through Instagram, okay? And then these 2 stories a day, okay, will make sure that the people on your Instagram knows that you are there. Don't let them forget you. They need to continuously go through your content, okay? And there's one saying I'll tell you. This is said by Eric Vo, that who is doing Network Marketing Pro, right? He's saying that usually a prospect has to go through something for at least 6 to 20 times to convince himself to do it, convince himself to believe in it, okay? So in order for a cold prospect who is getting connected with you through your Instagram, in order to create rapport and start believing in you, right? He has to see continuously posts posted by you, right? Once he see enough, then he start to come to you and ask, bro, what are you up to? You are posting damn good stuff, okay? I love what you are posting, right? They will come and talk to you, okay? If you do this for a longer period of time, okay? Okay, so now whatever you post on Instagram will go to your Facebook page, right? Now, from Facebook page, I'll teach you how to grow your Facebook page, okay? So that will be probably the topic for the next week, okay? So I'll just give you an idea about it. So Facebook page, why the reason why I asked you to make a Facebook page, why? Because you can connect only with 5,000 people on your Facebook profile, right? You can't connect more than 5,000 people with your Facebook profile, but through your Facebook page, you can connect to more than that. So I have 32,000 followers on my Facebook page, okay? Growing a Facebook page is a lot faster than growing a Facebook profile, okay? Because there is some inviting facilities there. You can invite people to come and join your page, come and like your page, come and follow your page, right? And apart from that, I'll teach you how to grow your Facebook page. So your Instagram will be growing. You don't need to go to Facebook and post anything, okay? Because once you post on Instagram, it will go to your Facebook page. Yes, right? Next class, I'll explain you. Next session, I'll explain you how to grow your Facebook page. So your Facebook page is growing. So on Facebook, I'll show you some statistics, okay? There are 2.5 billion people active users on Facebook. These are active users, okay? See the potential, okay? These are active users, people who are actively using Facebook daily, in a daily way, right? Daily they are using Facebook. 2,449 million, that is 2.5 billion people, 1/3 of the population using Facebook actively, okay? Instagram, you see, 1 billion people, right? So Facebook is 1/3 of the world population using actively, and Instagram 1/8 of the world population using it actively, right? You see the potential, you see the difference, the size difference, right? So there's a whole new market on Facebook. So this whole, the 2.5 billion people are prospects, right? Start seeing that big picture. Start looking at something like, I'm going to get unlimited prospects, right? Like that. I will never run out of prospects. You say no to me, get lost. Next. So the plan. You're not interested. Don't waste my time, get lost. Next. Okay, you like it? Okay, sign up. Now follow the system. Go. Next. Show the plan. Right? You understand? Not interested? I'm not interested to waste my time with you also. Bye. Next. Right? You guys are having a fear inside you. What if my friends say no? Why? Because you have only 25 people who are known people on your contact list. Right? Nobody here can invite 100 people by next week, right? You understand? But if you start getting enough prospects from your social media, you don't care whether they sign up or not. Why? Because if they sign up, if they don't sign up, it's okay. Next week there'll be more prospects coming from my system, right? My social media, right? I'll try to get a sign up there. If you also don't sign up, get lost. You can do follow whatever you want to do, right? I will be getting more people, no problem, right? So you will stop pushing the people to sign up. You will not force people to sign up, right? If you have enough prospects, because you know, if this guy do not sign up with me, I don't care. You lose it, right? Because you not signing up with me does not mean that I'm not going to build my business, right? I have a pipeline full of prospects waiting to get this chance. You are a loser. Good luck, right? And I want to tell you, don't hurt their feeling so much. Okay, keep the door open. One day they can come and sign up with you, right? You understand, right? Okay, so start doing this from today. Please make at least 3 posts, okay, every day. Making 3 posts will take half an hour. Okay, and creating, you have to go and do community engagement, right? It will also take half an hour. So it will be 1 hour of work every day. Spend time on social media 1 hour per day. That's it. Make 2 stories, take a screenshot and write something. That's it. Simple, right? So start doing that. I guarantee you, over a period of time, your Instagram will grow, your social media will grow. Now I tell you a secret. It was very hard for me to have first 10,000 followers on Instagram. When I had 10,000 followers, you know what I did? I found a similar person doing the same thing as I'm doing. But not network marketing, okay? They are into business motivation. And you know what I did? I talked to that guy and I said, I will do an Instagram story for you, promoting your Instagram account. Can you do that for me? Okay, that guy was selling 10,000, I was selling 10,000. So he said, let's do it. And I got around 400, 500 extra new followers because of his post. He got around 300, 400 followers from me. Right? So I found similar people until today. I found similar Instagram users, Instagram influencers, and I'm telling them, I will promote to you, promote me. I will promote to you, promote me, right? Okay. This way I bring this 10,000 to 125,000. And out of those 125,000, I need to say more than 115,000 not belong to me. They were followers of some other people. They came to me and followed me because we did this. You understand, right? Okay, you can start doing that, but until you hit 10,000 followers, nobody is going to care whether you are going to do that with them. Okay, nobody is going to care. You understand, right? Okay, so first 10,000 will be hard. Keep going, and you can take it. Once you take it, you find similar people and shout out for shout out. Story for story, right? I'll do a story for you. You do a story for me. That's it, right? That way you can grow your Instagram. Okay. Okay, guys. So we will see you again next week. I hope you learned something. Anything you want to share?
How to make FB page?
Sorry.
How to make FB page?
How to make
FB page.
Okay, Facebook page. When you are on Instagram, like, do you remember when you convert it to professional account? When you go to next step, and Instagram will make a Facebook page for you. From there, that step.
Okay.
And this video will be uploaded. Okay, this will be uploaded, and this will not be public, but it will upload to YouTube or maybe to another platform, and I will share the link with you guys. Okay.
Yes, right.
Use it again.
Yeah, one question I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
You said that creating a set of like 10 sets. Okay.
Yeah.
So just wanted to know that how it is. Like, suppose if I'm creating one business like hashtag.
Okay.
So in first set I kept it in first row.
Yeah.
In second set, the same hashtag can I keep on third or fourth row?
Yeah. You can do that.
So
Yes.
that is your mean to say, right?
Yes.
Means
Don't
your
put it-
position has to be changed.
Position has to be changed. And
Okay.
apart from that, I think you can make around 2-3 sets. Little differences.
Okay.
Different tags are there, but you can't make over 10 sets with different tags. Okay, and after that you need to just change the position of the tag and make different sets.
Okay.
Okay, and also the word you are writing, the sentence, right, about your contact information and everything.
That
That
position needs to be
makes some
changed or
changes.
something. Yeah.
You
Okay.
understand, right? So
Correct,
otherwise,
correct.
Instagram will consider as you are spamming on it,
Right.
right?
Perfect.
Any questions?
Bro, I have one question, bro.
Yeah, ask.
No, how about your web page, Nuance Law? It's very nice, actually.
Yeah, that one exactly. I went to GoDaddy.com. Okay,
GoDaddy.com, okay?
GoDaddy.com, and I just saw the template. I type. That's it. It's like making a Facebook
Oh,
page. You can just put the photo and drop.
okay, bro, okay.
You understand, right? Nowadays, you
Nice,
don't
bro.
need any, HTML programming, CSS. There are some programming knowledge. No need anything. Just like making a
Okay,
Facebook
okay.
page. GoDaddy.com. You can select a template, and
Okay.
when you make a page from the country India, you will get.
Hmm.
You can make the website for around less than 600 Indian rupees per year.
Oh, okay, bro, okay. Yeah. How about the domain and everything, bro? Is it
Domain
free
and,
or will?
okay, with domain and everything, it will be. It will not cost 1,000 Indian rupees. Okay.
Okay, bro, okay.
It will be cheap. You need to make a website. Okay, and
Sure, bro, sure,
not only
bro.
a website. Like I carry something like this wherever I go. Okay, I carry this. Okay, and this is where I keep my business cards. Okay, so I take it and I give, and that's it. Whoever I meet. So here you can see my name is there.
Clearly, bro. Clearly, it's not
Okay, my name is Dhanuan Hettiarachi, and then entrepreneur and business consultant. It is there. Okay, there is no
okay.
company name, nothing. Okay, entrepreneur and business consultant, and then
Okay.
my mobile number, WhatsApp, my email, www.nuancelaw, my website, and then my address. That's it. Right? So I'm giving this to all the prospects, whoever I meet.
The email you are using Gmail, right? Or
Yeah.
just your
Yeah,
okay.
my email is, it's a Gmail. Yes, it's a personal one. It's a personal business card. So there are applications where you can make business cards also using your mobile phone. Okay, just go and check for business card on your app store. They will give you a nice application. Just make it. That's it. Right? You don't need to consult anyone. And then you can take that PDF file or something like that and go to a shop and print on a card. That's it. And they will cut for you, the printing shop. Right? Making everything simple, right? Okay. So use social media and all these things to get prospects. Okay. Okay. There's a question. I'm not so acquainted with Instagram, so can I use Facebook page to promote without Instagram? I need to say, Dibya, why not both? And it's free. Like, it's free, right? Okay. And if you start getting in touch with Instagram, you don't need to go to Facebook, because Instagram will build Facebook for you. Right? You post on Instagram, Facebook will also build by itself. Right? You don't need to go to Facebook. Right? You post on Instagram, it will go automatically there, right? And you can go there, and if you want to pay to Facebook, you can promote. If you want to make payments, and like as I heard from him that Dibya, you are doing payments, right? You are paying to Facebook to promote, right? You can go to that post on Facebook which came from Instagram and promote it there, right? So my question is, why not both? Because in both platforms there are people, right? And also LinkedIn, right? You can start. We'll talk about these things in the future. LinkedIn also is very good platform, okay? And like you will find professionals there, right? And you can use all the social platforms. And good thing is it's free.